Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Dear students, in our today's lesson, we are going to learn how to draw a bus with simple lines and shapes. Let's start our activity. First of all, we will draw a straight line at the bottom. Now we will draw two circles with some gap. Draw two small circles inside. The wheels are done. Bottom part of the bus, we will draw a straight line, a small line on this side, another small line on the other side. For the bumper of the bus, a small line up, in and down, join here. It's like a box. Same on this side as well. Now we will draw a line going up from this side, straight line up, a line over till the middle of the wheel, down for the front of the bus, over, down and join like this. For the front window, draw a line like this and now we will draw the door of the bus. So draw a straight line, a big straight line, another line like this, join it from the bottom and from the top. Now we will draw two rectangles inside the door. For the window of the bus, draw a straight line, then it's L like shape, go up and join from here. Now we will draw some more windows. Draw a straight line in between these rectangles. Here you draw a line straight and you can write here school bus. Now we will draw the headlights of the bus. So draw a rectangular shape at the front side and the same rectangular shape at the back side. Here we are going to draw a line under the bus, up and join back. Draw some popcorns like shape over here to show the smoke of the bus. Children, bus is a land transport. It's a heavy vehicle. You can see the school bus and other types of the bus on road. Now, after drawing this bus, here comes another fun part. You can color your bus with the paints or with the markers or pencil colors or crayons, whatever you like. Hope you enjoyed drawing a bus. See you in the next lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.